What if I told you Alexander Hamilton's wife and her sister both loved him, and historians still aren't sure where exactly the line was? That's the premise of Pride and Pleasure by Amanda Vale, a dual biography of Angelica Schuyler and Eliza Schuyler Hamilton. Eliza married him, Angelica married someone else, and stayed close to both of them for the rest of their lives. But the real story isn't the triangle. It's what Eliza did after that infamous duel that killed her husband. Widowed at 47 with 7 kids, she spent the next 50 years building an orphanage, hunting down lost archives, and personally cornering the Librarian of Congress to make sure history remembered her husband correctly. She didn't pass away until the age of 97, and in the intervening years, she did everything she could to help the world remember Alexander Hamilton the way that she wanted him to be remembered. And this compelling biography gives all the details. Of course, if you'd like to know more, please check out the full video on my channel, Spencer Reads Everything, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And until next time, keep those pages turning.